Good day, everyone. The main purpose of this video is to provide some guidelines on completing the Quality Standard Toolkit instrument, also referred to as QST. In addition to this video, I will be available to schedule individual meetings with CBO partners to answer questions and clarify the process to be followed. The QST is a capacity assessment that provides a snapshot of your CBO's technical and organizational capacity in areas considered vital for offering training and support services to youth. This is not a questionnaire to be filled out by one person. Rather, it is supposed to be completed by a group of key stakeholders from your organization. How will the results be used? IYF will use them to develop a capacity improvement plan to inform its future partnerships. Although the questionnaire is somewhat lengthy, you and your team will only need to complete it once a year. This video provides a step-by-step guide to make the questionnaire completion easy and clear for you. The first preparation step is to identify and invite 3 to 5 staff members who are closest to the project's work and represent diverse program perspectives. For example, you can invite the program manager, curriculum specialist, case manager, or any other relevant team member. After selecting the staff members, assign a facilitator for the group. The facilitator's main role will be to read each statement aloud and guide a group discussion to reach a consensus on the score for each statement. Operations the step is complete, gather all relevant documents and tracking materials that support your actions and approach, such as operating procedures, intake forms, tracking tools, placement questionnaires, rubrics, etc. Next, let's go over the steps for the instrument completion. The first part of this questionnaire is called the priority ranking process, and you will record your answers in the priority ranking sheet. Determine what the organization considers to be the most critical capacities for its success. Note that these priorities should be established regardless of whether there are current problems in these areas. As a team, you need to decide on the appropriate priority ranking of each subcomponent by deciding how it contributes to the organization's long-term success and ability to implement holistic youth programming effectively. Here's how it works. The worksheet is organized in 3 columns. Read each component and subcomponent. Use the priority ranking column to provide your organizational score. As you can see on the right-hand corner of the slide, scores range from 0 to 4. Rate each subcomponent. For example, discuss with your team how beneficiary recruitment and selection rank within your organization and write the appropriate answer after reaching a consensus with the group. After completing the worksheet, move on to the remaining sections of the QST. The instrument has 4 components with subcomponents and statements. As a group, reach a consensus on the score. On the score you will assign to each statement. Record the results on the Word document. After rating each statement in Word, enter the scores in an Excel workbook provided to you as an attachment to my group email. Note that the Excel workbook has separate tabs for each component. This is how to complete the QST components. For example, for the component of sustainability, you will read each indicator, discuss it with your group, and reach a consensus about the score. If your organization has a clearly defined sustainability strategy in place that guides fundraising activities, you will give a score of 4. Follow the same procedure for the whole instrument. After recording all your scores in the Word document, transfer your responses to the Excel file provided. Here is an example of what it looks like. Your scores will add up automatically, providing you an average for each standard. After completing the QST, send the Word document and accompanying Excel workbook with completed scores to the designated email address. Provide any supporting documents as attachments or upload the documents onto your Youth Opportunity Teams channel. After reviewing the documents, I will schedule a meeting to go over your responses. The deadline to complete and submit the QST is August 21st, 2023. Completion and submission are requirements connected to Milestone 2 stated in your grant agreement. This is the summary about the deadline, requirement, and submission process. I am looking forward to discussing your organization's responses with you, and as always, I'm available to answer any questions. All the best. Thank you.